Hammond, thank you. Residents affected by the Great Neck tornado got some answers from city leaders tonight about cleanup efforts. The pressing questions: how the debris will be cleaned out to get the surrounding neighborhoods back to normal, and when lane closures on Great Neck Road will end. Sarah Hammond was at tonight's town hall meeting. She joins us now live. And Sarah, this is going to be a complex process.
Absolutely. And based on what city leaders said tonight during this town hall, their response is going to start to look a little bit different later this week into early next week as they continue to make progress. It was a chance for Great Neck residents to get their questions answered.
What's the process to get power back in the house?
And to thank first responders and city workers for what they've done since an EF3 tornado ripped through their neighborhood.
10 minutes after the storm hit, we had a police officer knocking on our door. Firemen followed up a little while later. Dominion Power was there. We were in very good hands.
One topic that came up over and over during the city's town hall was the Great Neck road lane closure. Jeremy Klein with Public Works says they've already removed 13,000 cubic yards of debris in 30 trucks, and those road lane closures have been essential to do that. However, the traffic pattern should change soon.
The plan is to start transitioning, ideally, into the week into early next week.
He says around the same time, the department's role will shift as well once the roads are clear.
Our support will look different as we transition, but we'll continue to walk with you through this challenging time.
Virginia Beach Police 2nd Precinct Captain Harry McBrien says once Public Works clears out, they will also shift gears, but will still have a presence as neighbors rebuild. Another concern brought up numerous times: debris in the Chelsea Canal.
People can't remove them. They're going to break free eventually and float, and they're going to eventually work their way out into Broad Bay.
That waterway runs through private property, according to Klein, so Public Works cannot take the lead on clearing out that debris, but neighbors say it needs to be addressed one way or another before someone gets hurt. And the city's also asking for people who were affected by the tornado to provide data when the city is asking for it. They say by doing that, the city can compile all of that data, take it to the state to then see if FEMA can come down and get involved in this recovery process. Live in Virginia Beach, Sarah Hammond for 13 News Now.
Sarah, thanks. 9 homes were destroyed by the twister. Another 36 have major damage. A city spokeswoman tells 13 News Now the estimated residential damage is almost $17 million.